give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, my dear teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. On behalf of Standard 10, I am Nitalina welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our assembly with DAV began.
Good. Attention. Day began begins.
Now, let's take place with Anjali.
Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians
are my
are my
brothers and sisters.
brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of its.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion.
and raise my devotion.
In their well-being
India's well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
rise my happiness.
rise my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Now, for Arya Samaj, I would like to call
10 Principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 3. The Vedas are the scriptures of all true knowledge. It is the first duty of all Aryas to read them, hear them, and read and recite them to others. Point number 4. We should always be ready to accept the truth and give up the untruth. Thank you.
Now, for today's thought, I would like to call.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. I am Somita Parihari. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Learn from them and grow. I repeat, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Learn from them and grow. Thank you.
Good. Attention. Ready for rehearsal.
Now, to acknowledge us with the happenings around, I would like to call.
Good. Time it is.
Good morning. I'm Smriti Singh of Standard 6. Presenting today's news headlines are ED issues lookout notice against former Maharashtra Minister Anil Deshmukh. Central West and Northwest India to receive fresh spell of rain. North Karnataka civic body poll results BJP leads in postal votes in Kalaburgi. Panchri bomb by Pakistan Air Force drones. Paralympics India scripts history finishes with record tally of 19 medals. Thank you.
Now, to present fact file, I would like to call.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. I am Priyadarsan Sahu, class 6, section B, roll number 17. I am telling fact file based on Pandit Ravi Shankar. One number. Pandit Ravi Shankar was born on 7th April 1920 in Banarasi. His actual name was Ravindra Shankar Chaudhary. Second number. He started performing as a dancer in Uday Shankar's troupe from the 10 years. Third number. He started his study of sitar only at the age of 18 years when he heard Amya Kanti Bhattacharya. 4 number. Ravi Shankar became a disciple of Baba Aluddin Khan, who had a violent temper, but Ravi Shankar was the only student to escape his ear. 5 number. The song Sare Jahan Se Acha, written by Pond Muhammad Iqbal in 1904, was set tuned by Ravi Shankar in 1945. 6th number. After the assassinations of Mahatma Gandhi, as a mark respect to them, Ravi Shankar used 3 sargamnas, Ga, Ni, Dha, and developed a new melodic theme. He called it Rag Mon Skans. 7 number. Ravi Shankar was nominated by Rajiv Gandhi to Hurrah Sahab At 8 number, Ravi Shankar was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1999. 9 number, he won the West Chamber Music Performance Grammy Award for West Meets to Yes. Thank you.
Now, to deliver today's word, here comes
Today word of the day is teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross then having. Thank you.
Attention. National anthem begins.
You must be the change you want to see in the world. Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. With this, I conclude today's assembly. Thank you.
School, stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.